Today, I'm diving into the wild world of credit scores, and let's see if elections actually have an impact on our credit score. Now, can I uncover the truth behind this type of connection? Now, when it comes to credit scores, don't we all want to know what makes them tick, what makes them click, and what makes them soar? And with the election season heating up right now, maybe you're wondering, do elections actually have an impact on our credit score? Is it actually possible that whoever we vote for or whoever will win, does that actually have an impact on our credit score and our credit profile? It is definitely a question that's worth exploring and one that I'm going to dive in today. And let's see if we can figure this out. Now, you're not alone if you've ever wondered about the connection between credit scores and the upcoming election. In fact, it's definitely a topic that sparks a lot of questions and concerns. Now, some people actually think that their voting behavior is somehow connected to their credit score, while others think that the outcome of an election will somehow determine their financial behavior or their financial scores. So, really, what is fact and what is fiction? So, today we're going to dive in to see if we can uncover this questionable topic. One thing is definitely for sure, there are a lot of myths out there surrounding the whole credit score and if it pertains or connects to the election. Now, maybe you've heard that if you vote for a particular party, that your credit score will actually suffer. Or actually, you've heard that voting for a particular person or party will send interest rates skyrocketing. But really, where do these myths come from? Well, let's find out and see if we can uncover this idea behind the myth. What is myth and what is reality? When it comes to credit scores, there's a lot of misconceptions out there. But one thing is definitely for sure, credit scores revolve and are calculated solely based on our credit history. It's not about who we vote for or what party is in power. It's really about how we manage our debt and how we manage our payment. That is what really matters. So let's go ahead and talk about the factors that actually do affect our credit score. Payment history is a big one because if we are constant and continuously making on-time payments, this is going to be a huge factor on a good credit score. Now, credit utilization is another key factor. Basically, it's how much debt are we carrying and how much credit are we utilizing. And another key factor is what is called credit age. Basically, how long have we been using credit, but not just how long we've been using credit, how long have we been using credit responsibly? These are the key factors that truly affect our credit score. It's really not about who wins the election or what party wins the election. And yet, despite all this to the contrary, some people have a belief that the outcome of the election, who wins the election, which party wins the election, somehow has an effect on our credit score. Now, I get it. Maybe it's because we're worried about the economy. Maybe it's because we're worried about interest rates going up. And these do kind of toil in our mind, but we don't have control over that. What we do have control is our credit. We personally are responsible for our credit and our credit history. And to tell you the truth, our credit score is much more tied closely to our financial habits, our credit habits. Our credit score and our credit profile are based upon what we do and how we handle our credit and how we handle our credit profile. It has nothing to do with who's in the White House and who's not in the White House. So here's the main insight. Elections actually have zero impact on our credit. Zero, zilch. Not one thing that can happen in the election will actually affect our credit score. It's not about who's in the White House or who runs Congress. It's actually about us. It's how we manage our credit history. It's how we manage our finances. It has nothing to do with anybody else. And see, when we look at it that way, it's actually really empowering because our credit score and our credit profile is based on us. We actually have the power to control our own financial history. It means we have power to control our own credit score. We get to decide how we use credit, how we pay our bills, and how our credit history and our finances are determined. It's us, it's not anybody else. So, what does this all mean? At the end of the day, understanding how credit works is super crucial to our financial health. It's not about elections or who's in power, it's about us. It's about us taking control over our financial health. It's about us taking control of our credit. It's about us making smart and wise decisions. It's not about anybody else, especially not who's running for election. So thanks for joining me on this dive about credit score and elections. If you have thoughts or concerns, be sure to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you have any desire to learn more about credit, take a look at my free ebook. It's available. The website's down below. Just go to my website, summitbeacon.com. You can download your free copy of my ebook on the basics of credit. And if you need a free consultation, go to my website and you can sign up for a free consultation. I'll be happy to work with you to help you understand your credit profile. And if you need any more assistance, feel free to reach out to me. And again, I thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I thank you for watching this time.